Welcome to Shufetti Suds. Here we dive into the exciting world of DIY skincare, exploring homemade skincare ingredients and recipes to elevate your organic skincare experience. Join me, Mrs. Shufetti, as we discover natural skincare and effective ways to formulate DIY beauty products. For more tutorials, consider subscribing to the channel. In this video, we will talk about how jojoba oil is obtained, its benefits, and how to use it in an oil cleanser. Jojoba oil is extracted from the seed of the jojoba plant. The oil is obtained by cold processing the seeds, ensuring the preservation of its natural properties. Jojoba oil is one of the most unique carrier oils because it is a liquid wax ester, which closely resembles the natural oils produced by our skin. This makes it highly compatible and non-comedogenic. That means it doesn't clog your pores. It is rich in vitamin E and B complex and contains essential minerals like zinc and copper, along with antioxidants that help protect and repair the skin. What a great choice to include in your home remedies for the skin. Jojoba oil closely resembles the skin's natural sebum, making it an excellent moisturizer. It helps reduce redness and inflammation, making it ideal for soothing irritated skin. Its comedogenic nature helps regulate sebum production, reducing acne breakouts. Jojoba oil's antioxidants can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It promotes wound healing and can help with minor cuts and skin infections. Jojoba oil is generally safe for most people as a skincare oil, but it's always a good idea to perform a patch test before using it extensively. Apply a small amount to a patch of skin and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. Avoid using it on severely damaged or broken skin without consulting a healthcare provider. Additionally, if you have allergies to plant-based oils, consult with a dermatologist before use. Now let's look at how you can create your own very basic jojoba oil facial cleanser. Before we get into the tutorial for making your very own basic DIY skincare oil cleanser, let's look at the science behind oil cleansing. Oil cleansing is based around a scientific principle that like dissolves like. So water and oil don't mix, and that's why water by itself is actually unable to clean your face, and it needs to be paired with cleansing agents. Avoid using it on severely damaged or broken skin. Additionally, if you have allergies to plant-based oils, consult with a dermatologist before use. Oil cleansers are one of the most gentle ways to break down oils, makeup, and various other impurities on your face. So I hope by watching this video you feel a little bit more confident in using jojoba oil as a natural skincare ingredient. Oil cleansers are primarily used in skincare routines to remove makeup, sunscreen, dirt, and excess oil from the skin. They work by dissolving the oils on your skin, including those in makeup and sunscreen, allowing them to be easily wiped away without stripping the skin of its natural oils. Oil cleansers are particularly effective for removing waterproof makeup and can be gentler on the skin compared to some traditional cleansers, making them suitable for various skin types, including sensitive and dry skin. They can also help balance the skin's natural oil production and leave the skin feeling hydrated and nourished. Oil cleansers are super popular at the moment, and there are loads of testimonies about how they've cleared acne and great for sensitive skin, but on the other hand, there are loads of people who actually break out from using them. So before using your basic oil cleanser, check the disclaimer in the description and always use a patch test when trying out new products. Let's look at how you can create your own jojoba Oil Facial Cleanser. You'll need 2 parts jojoba oil to 1 part of castor oil. If I use 20 grams of jojoba oil, then I would add half of that, or 10 grams of castor oil. Yes, let's get this right. Let's go over it again. Use 2 parts jojoba oil to 1 part castor oil. So if I use 30 grams of jojoba oil, then you would need, yes, that's right, 15 grams of castor oil. Mix all of the ingredients into a bottle, shake well before use, and apply to your face. Massage gently and apply a small amount of a gentle face wash to your hands and apply to your face. And then rinse with warm water. This cleanser will leave your skin feeling clean and moisturized. Please like, comment, and share. It helps us to be able to continue putting out free content. Jojoba oil is a natural ingredient that is suitable for all skin types. It's easy to incorporate into your skincare routines and provides numerous benefits from moisturizing to healing. I hope you feel inspired to start using jojoba oil in your own skincare regimen. Now that we've created our nourishing oil cleanser with jojoba oil and castor oil, you might be curious about the specific benefits of castor oil and why it's such a valuable addition to your skincare routine. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into the amazing properties of castor oil.